This one's going way back into the archives. The nostalgia. E.T. I did an animation last week about a bad art trade I had in first grade. This girl Zany in my class traded me a Garfield for an E.T. drawing. I made an animation of it, and you can check it out on my YouTube page. The suggestion came in after I posted that animation. Hey, you should paint an E.T. And I never even think of doing fan art type of things anymore. It just isn't even in my mind. So I was stoked on that prompt. I'm going for it. We're painting some ETs today. Let's do this. This is your straightforward ET looking straight ahead. You get some nice blue background going. Look at this. Who wouldn't love this guy? I had a t-shirt of him when I was a kid. I didn't realize how obsessed with E.T. that I was. And probably still am. I still love that movie. Okay, we're nearing the finish line on this first one. He's coming along pretty nice. And just a couple more little details. This guy is done. Look at that beauty. And I couldn't help it. I decided to do another quick one. Here he is with his little healing touch. Sweet. Now we have two. And that's it for today. So as always, I love you. Thanks for watching. And have fun.